Okay, this is the first part of my adventure by Mayan train to Campeche. About a 12-mile ride by Uber through Centro to the Merida station for the Maya train. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I have arrived at the Mayan train station. I had a wonderful Uber driver, Mr. David. Adios, senor. Oh, nice to meet you too. Mucho gusto. Okay, so yeah, I have made it to the Mayan train station. Very nice. Very nice. Clean. I'll head inside. I already purchased my ticket. So let's go. Let's go to the train station. Okay. The Estación Merida Maya train station. Hola. It's a very nice train station. They got a coffee stand. You got little shops where you can buy little snacks. You want to get snacks, they got snacks available. They got snacks available. Okay. And you got Mexican food. Here at the train station. Okay, this is very, very nice. All right. Buffalo burger place, little souvenir place. Souvenirs, okay. Souvenirs for the Mayan train station. Jewelry. Mayan train station. Okay. Okay, so I stopped at this little candy shop. They have sorbet, they got ice cream, but I ended up getting the mangoes, tamarind mangoes, and some turtles, some pecan turtles. Say hello. Hello. Okay. Here at the Mayan train station. Tamarind snack cost me a little bit more, but you know where you're at the train station and the vendors typically have to pay a lot more for their rental, and so they have to charge a little bit more. But this is Lucy. Say hello, Lucy.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, thank you. Happy day, Lucy. But yeah, I know I paid a little bit more for that snack. It was 390 pesos. Okay, which was a little bit steep, but like I said, you here at the Mayan train station, these vendors have to pay a little bit more for their stall. So now I just grab me a seat and wait for the train.
Yeah, so the train is divided into sections, and I'm headed down here to section 1 because for the purpose of sharing with you all how this works, the train to Campeche, I decided to get the premium VIP ticket on the way to Campeche, and then I purchased a regular tourist ticket on the way back to Merida. So there are national, local prices, and then there's also international prices. And so I did end up getting the international premium ticket, which is going to be in section uno, numero 1. Okay, so here we are, and numero 1, waiting for the train to arrive. I have to say that it is hot out here, or what they would say, mucho calor, or mucho caliente, and it's not so much the heat as it is the humidity. The humidity is what's making you sweat, okay? But the train, the station is very clean. We're just waiting for the train to arrive. As hard as I have a hard time saying Valladolid, okay, I have this nice lady right here, okay, and this nice lady, these nice ladies right here, okay, teaching me how to say Valladolid.
That's right.
Is that correcto?
Correcto.
Valladolid, next stop after Campeche. Getting on the train was relatively easy. It's nice and air conditioned. The seats are pretty comfortable, cushioned, and I think there's some hooks in the front where you can just sit back, okay, want to rest, or let it all the way up this far. It's a nice train ride. It's not like the speed trains in Europe, but relatively fast enough, okay? Nice and clean. I am in what they would consider the VIP section. I can't tell what the benefit is being in this section so far, but I'll be able to compare as I make my journey back to Maryland. So I am on the train headed to Campeche. Okay, so I'm in C. It's good. The trays here. This is the car. This is the full car. Yes, there's no footrest, but it does act to where you can be comfortable. They have also USB connection, and then the trays. The tray is just a typical tray, but I don't see a footrest. No footrest. Okay. Okay, so the train does not have access to Wi-Fi, so you would have to depend upon your carrier's data signal in order to pick up any type of Wi-Fi. For me, for Amazon Music, or for my music app, it seems as though I'm able to play music, but again, she said that they are looking forward to having Wi-Fi service sometime in the future. So no, the train does not have Wi-Fi. Okay, just so you know, the iPhone port connection is not on this train. They have USB connections, okay, but not the iPhone. So keep that in mind, that you have to make sure you have the correct USB plug to be able to charge your iPhone. But what they do have is an electrical outlet, so I can easily take my plug and plug it in that way and use it to charge my phone. Not all is lost. Now arriving at the Campeche train station, and that's not going to the city, so I have to catch another train to get to Centro. Okay, this train is kind of like the DART train or the MARTA train in Atlanta. It weaves. It has a train line. It might be the blue line. It picks you up from the Mayan train station, and it takes quite a bit of time to get from the Mayan train station to downtown Campeche. So I think we've got maybe about 6 stops, 4 or 5 more stops to go before we even get downtown. Okay, so just so you know, once you get off the Mayan train at the San Francisco Campeche station, you have to go down the escalator and pay to get on the Tren Luego. It takes a minute to get to Campeche, all right? As a point of interest, without Wi-Fi, I am picking up four signals, data signals on my AT&T. So that's pretty good, 4 bars. To Campeche, made it to Campeche. You can see the water in the background. Let me tell you, it's a long ride. Okay, but I made it. Okay, so my Airbnb. Okay, I had to get off the train near the Malecon, and it's beautiful. Malecon was beautiful. Okay, I could see the water, the boat. Got off the train, and I had to walk to my Airbnb that's in Centro Historical. And I gotta tell you, if you pulling luggage, the streets are kind of rough. I don't know why I just didn't take a taxi from the train station down here. I was following the instructions for the Airbnb host. So I took both trains, so this is quite an experience. Okay, I'm just sharing. That's very interesting. That way is interesting. Okay, so I am walking to my Airbnb in Centro Campeche. So it's a lovely place. A lot of cobblestone streets. And again, if you got luggage, that's going to be very difficult on your arms and your muscles. Okay? Oh Lord. This is me walking to the Airbnb. They gotta put in like several blocks already from the Malecon. I am a little bit out of breath. However, I think I can make it. You can make it if you try. I'ma make it. You can make it if you try. Okay? Because it is a long walk. So if you're staying in Centro, right, in Campeche, and you get off at the train station, Centro Histórica, and you need to walk to Centro for whatever reason, understand it's a long walk. Okay? It's a long walk. From the patio into the actual Airbnb, this is what it looks like. Let me turn some lights on so you can actually see it. Okay? This is my Airbnb. Very nice, very tastefully done. Nice little kitchenette. Okay. Nice little kitchenette in here. I typically do not get stairs an Airbnb with stairs. But maybe I'll lose some weight going up and down the stairs, because the bathroom is going to be downstairs. Okay? Bathroom and the little sleep area up here. And the bed is very, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Got the little hearts on the walls. My hat. That's the front door. Look how high that front door is. Okay? Very nice Airbnb. Okay, Cal. To the patio there. I'm not sure, these streets are very narrow, but it's very, very clean. And they have restaurants out in the middle of the streets. I'll show you when I get up here, but I'm not sure what this building is. Okay? Alright? But it's very clean, it's very beautiful. And the fact that they got restaurants right here around the corner from my Airbnb. So if I get hungry, I don't have very far to walk to get something to eat. Okay, so now I'm on 12th Street. Okay? On 12th Street, this looks like this is gonna be a really, really busy street. This is absolutely wonderful. They've got these
restaurants. Okay, out here in the middle of the street. Okay, it's still early. It's about 5 o'clock in the early evening. And I'm sure at some point, sushi, Mexican, oh, they got a gelato. I love gelato. They got a gelato and bistro bar. Oh, this is fabulous. About dusk right now. I captured a few pictures of the sunset. But yeah, the restaurants are open. They've got lights, I guess from the Mexican independence, or they just have things lit up here. Right now I'm sitting in front of a brick wall. Might be something from an old fort. Looks like it, but I thought I would sit here for a second and take in some of the light some of the light from the fort wall. I think with behind this wall there's an arc right here. Arc is probably this way. There's an arc right there, and behind this wall I guess is the wall city, and there's where all the shops and restaurants in old Campeche is located. But it is a beautiful and clean city. It's very clean, and because it's close to the ocean, there's a nice breeze. I'm feeling a nice breeze right about now, so I'm gonna finish up my little rest and give me a few snacks and stuff, maybe get me something to eat, head on back to the Airbnb and be ready for my tours tomorrow.